anytime you're using the trimmer or outliners, you want to make sure that you understand the different angles that you're using the blades. The different angles are going to give you a different type of cut and a design. If you're using design clippers to design a haircut or so forth. So you need to remember the angle and the position of the angle is extremely important, because the trimmer outliners is the same as a movable razor blade. You get it too close, you can have an accident. So remember that. Different angles and positions of the trimmer outliners will produce a different type of cut. How to hold the clippers are important. It's important because you want to make sure that you're not working your arm, you're working your wrist. This is a clipper holding position number 1. And this is commonly used when you're going against the grain. This is a clipper holding position number 2. And this is a clipper holding position number 3. And as you see, is going with the grain. Clipper holding position number 4 is going with the grain as well. When cutting hair, generally the amount of hair that you cut depends on which way you're cutting the hair. Most important, remember, if you're cutting against the grain, you're going to generally cut a little bit more hair off than going with the grain. It's important to remember. Against the grain, generally cutting more hair off. With the grain, generally cutting less hair than against the grain. To take proper care of clippers and trimmers, you will need a clipper brush with stiff bristles, a small container, blade wash, clipper oil, and lubricating or cooling sprays. In this demonstration, it's showing how you care for your electric clippers for the general maintenance before, during, and after hair cutting. The 5-star Super Shaver is used as an alternative for the trimmer outliners. With the trimmer outliners, you get the hair almost fine, but not like the Super Shavers. They can be used as an alternative with the trimmer outliners. The 5-star Super Shavers gets you an extreme close shave, almost close as a razor blade. But we use the 5-star Super Shavers to bald the head sometimes, and also to get all the hair underneath the neck, around the Adam's apple, on the face. 5-star Super Shavers. That's highly recommended in the barbershops. Shank, the heel, the blade, the edge, the point, the head, the back, and the shoulder. Holding the razor is important as well. As you see, I'm holding the razor shaper properly. It's an alternate method of holding the razor. The conventional straight razor is composed of a hardened steel blade attached to a handle by means of a pivot. The handle may be constructed of hard, rubber, plastic, bone, or new polymer materials, and only the highest quality conventional straight razor should be used. Straight razor balance refers to the weight and length of the blade relative to that of the handle. Tempering the razor involves a special heat treatment included in the manufacturing process. When a razor is properly tempered, it acquires the degree of hardness required for a good cutting edge. I'm showing you how to palm the razor and the comb at the same time. Remember, you want to always keep your tools in your hand. So when using the blow dryer, make sure you know how to hold the blow dryer the correct way, as you see in this illustration. Blow dryer safety is also important. The biggest thing is because it's electric. You want to always go over your precautions and your safety measures anytime you're dealing with electricity. Headrest, side panel, hydraulic pump handle, footrest arms, platform, footrest, hydraulic pump, base, headrest, adjusting lever, armrest. So I hope that was informative to you. Hope you learned how to differentiate different types of tools and implements, how to hold your equipment when you're performing your work, how to understand what to use and when to use it. Your combs, your shears, how to hold your shears, how to palm your shears and your comb, using the right razor blade, understanding changeable and conventional straight razors. Basically, everything you want to use, either in your barber suitcase or at your barber station, you can use it, but you want to make sure you're using the right tool for the right job. That's the key. So hopefully this was a good video for you, and hopefully you use it on an everyday basis or just to come back and review. Remember, Quick the Barber, Cuts by Quick Barbershop in Untitled. Thanks for coming. I'll see you later.